In the heart of the Galapagos, a curious bird thrives. Meet the vampire ground finch. Unlike any other finch, this little guy has a taste for blood, feeding on the wounds of larger birds. But don't be fooled. It's not just about survival. It's a unique adaptation to a harsh environment. With its sharp beak, it carefully extracts blood, showcasing nature's ingenuity. These finches remind us that evolution can take unexpected turns, revealing the darker side of survival. So, next time you think of the Galapagos, remember the vampire finch, nature's little vampire.